Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to change aspect ratio in Premiere Pro. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course first select the clip, and from here just go ahead and go to sequence, and from here guys you will have an option here, auto reframe sequence. So just simply click on this, and from here guys you will have the target aspect ratio. So from here you will have various options. You can go for square 1 by 1, vertical 4 by 5, vertical 9 by 16, or you can go for 16 by 9. So let's say I'm gonna go for vertical 9 by 16, and from here guys just make sure to click on create, and as you can see it will automatically change the aspect ratio. But if you want to do it manually, you can just simply go to sequence over here at the top and go for sequence settings. And from here, you'll be able to change the frame size as well manually over here. And after that, just simply click on OK. And from there, you'll be able to change the aspect ratio. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.